Hello again from Macking Domain, and we're here again for another product review. I'm Tu, and this is Yoki. So what do you have here today?
We have AKiTio 3 Type C, 2.5-inch Type C enclosure. This is one of a fast-moving item as well. So inside the box, you will have a 2.5-inch chassis. You also come with a Type C cable, and it also have this cable tie, and also has a screw to screw your 2.5-inch SATA SSD, and the user manual as well. Yeah.
I see. So if I understand it correctly, this is supposed to encase an SSD, right?
Yeah.
So what kinds of applications you see your clients potentially using this for?
As you can see that the SSD prices is going up and down very regularly, and also the new capacity coming out. Right now we start to see 4 terabyte SSD coming. Of course the price is very high. So currently we have demo or we have promos for the 2 terabyte version. So the 2 terabyte version is good. The one that we offer comes with 5-year warranty. So the chassis is actually 1-year warranty, but the SSD is 5 years. So you can actually mix and match whichever SSD that you want. You can use Kingston, you can use let's say Seagate, you can use what's it called? WD, you can use Crucial, you can use many other brands. So as long as you have this case, and you can buy at any time, those SSD you can buy at any time that you want. Usually in today's context, you don't see this kind of cases in the market. We have like 20 units in hand in stock. So at any time you want, just let us know.
I see. So how much would this cost for a unit?
This case with the cables all in is actually about 390. So yeah, and you can put in your own SSD. The SSD prices is up and down, so you have to buy it at the right time. We also have a package as well. If you want, you can actually get from us.
I see. So if I understand you correctly, basically this is allowing some of our clients to have more flexibility with their choices for storage units, right?
Yeah. But as for us, usually we only do the 5 years warranty. The reason why we do the 5 years warranty is because data is very crucial. Now if you buy something that which is 2 years or 3 years warranty, that means that the lifespan of the SSD is actually shorter. So you just have to make sure that sometimes Apple and Apple is not Apple and Apple, it's actually Apple and half Apple.
I see. So basically this is allowing our customers or clients to just find the best options for themselves when it comes to storage.
Correct. Some people, they can buy a lot of SSD but they don't have casing. So this is actually very easy. Just unscrew and then you just put the SSD in and screw it back and it's up and running.
I see. So pretty convenient product right here, and if you'd like to know more about it, you can check us at our website, mackingdomain.com, and feel free to reach out to any one of us, and we'd be more than happy to answer any of your questions, or if you'd like a demo, we'd be happy to set one up for you. So thanks, and we hope to see you again soon.
Bye bye.